Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Remarketing. I'm going to give you a nice video here of a 2021 Gehl RS4-14 telehandler. Sitting here with only 50 hours. It's got a full factory warranty and extended 1 year, 1,000 hour warranty. It has an open cab, 15-foot reach, 4,400 pound capacity. Ladies and gentlemen, this thing is brand new, standing tall, can make you money right now. Look how nice the tires, everything brand new. Check this out. Okay, we're gonna fire it up and show you how nice it runs. There's your joystick controls. Hear that motor come to life. Now we're going to take it outside and show you extend. There's your full reach. This little baby's going to make you some money. You give us a call at 260-238-4998. Check us out on the web, 99lifts.com. 99lifts.com. Thank you.